Hi, everybody. This is Mabel Ruiz, one of the peer mentors from Pathways to Possible. And today I will be talking about the Title IV Authorization. So, the objective of this video is to show you how to authorize your Title IV Authorization Award and apply it to your financial aid or tuition fees. The first step is to go into the MSU Denver Student Hub page. You can also find this from the main MSU Denver page if you click on the red icon IMA and click on Current Student. The second step is to scroll down to Web Services and click on the Student Profile Self-Service banner icon. Once you are in your student profile, on the left-hand corner of your screen, you will see 4 little squares. When you click on it, you will see an option for students. Click on that. A list of options will appear once you click on students. You will see an option for financial aid. Click on that. Once you have clicked on financial aid, you will click on the option at the top of the screen that says Award Offer. You will then need to scroll down to find the option that says Confirm. You will click on that option to accept the award. You will then be asked to read the terms and conditions of accepting the award. You will click on the check mark that says I acknowledge these terms and conditions. Make sure to click on the button that says Accept Award. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.